You are welcome again to this section of our WordPress course. We will continue from where we stopped in our previous lessons still on WordPress installation. In our previous lessons, we told us how we can use those two links that was sent to us when we did our WordPress installation. So today is how we can change or how we can bring in themes to give our website a good appearance. To give our site a good appearance, that is what we are going to really do now. So then how can we go about it? When you come to your dashboard here, you go to where they wrote appearance. Like most of us know it already. You click appearance, and this is where you get appearance from. Before you don't click it, what you do is this: you take your cursor there, touch it, 3 things is going to pop up. Choose the first one, which is the themes. You click the themes. Now when you click the themes, 3 themes are going to pop up here by default, but we don't need them. We need a different themes from these ones. How will you locate it? Either you locate it from here or you locate it from here. So any options you take is okay. Now let's locate them. Let's locate it from this plus sign. We click the plus. Now when you click the plus, it will give you different varieties of the themes that you might need, or the one you like. Anyone you like, you do what? You choose anyone that you like. But the one I'm using today is one they called, this one is called Ocean WP, which is this one here. Inside is my alignment box. This one I'll be using right away. Now if you want to use it, then go ahead, take your cursor at the top. You see where they wrote install. You click on what? Install. Now when you click install, you give it time. Some time, okay, now it has been installed. Then you activate. This is not where we are going. So I was surprised. Why did it bring us here? So let's go back again to the activation again. Now we have not activated, so we go there and do what? We activate. Now this is the activation here. When you come to this place, there are 2 options you are going to see. The first one is this, while the second one is this. Now what you do is this: either you launch the wizard, the setup wizard, or install free PowerPoint with Ocean WP only. Now anyone we use, they are going to be okay, but let's go for this one called launch setup wizard. That means it is installing and is activating. Now when you click it, then you now go here, existing websites, or is it a new website? That means I have an established website with relevant content. If you are installing WordPress theme for the first time, it's assumed that there is nothing yet there. It is new, it is fresh. So you go to the second option here. Now you say from scratch. Do you want us to build your site from scratch? No. Say from website template. You go to website template. Now these are different templates is giving you, but most of these templates, they have paid version and they have pro version. So if you want to get them, you go to this place, you click on free. It will bring up the one that is free for you to do what? For you to choose. So anyone you want to choose, go to it and do what? And choose it depending on which one are you using. Let's say we are going for this store. Let's not go for the store. Later we are going to build a site that can give us, that will be using store. But for now we are not building store. We want to build something different. So let's use this professional coach here. What you do, you click import template, which is this one here. Import template. You click this one here. So when you click the import template, it will take you somewhere different again. It will tell you this is an excellent choice. Import, this is where you are going to go. You click it. When you say required plugins, these plugins are very, very important. That is what they mean by required plugins. Because they are very important, you install it and activate it. See this copyright. Okay, it's still installing and activating. So okay, this one has been activated, this one has been activated, this one is active, you see. Then this one is downloading this one, then before this one is doing them one after the other. Now it's activating this one already. After activating, it tell you activated. Now it's activated here. This one is activated already. And this one is Ocean WP Pro. You don't need some. This one is Pro. What you do, you have done it, then you continue. Now they say optional. This one is optional. Add more functionality keys is optional. Since it's optional, if you need it, fine. If you don't need it, no problem. So if you need it, fine. If you don't need it, no problem. So you skip this step. Then they will show you the name you write when you are setting up your WordPress. Will appear here. Is it this one? Add your website details. You say yes. You click on next. Do you have logo? Now you do it next. Click on next. Now choose a palette and add color to your worldwide. Say anyone you choose, which is this one, this, they are still okay. So use default website demo template color. Default, the one that follows it. Try and follow that. Now then I tell you title, time to add the topography ingredients. All of these ones you need it. We use this one, is there already. You click on next. Then all of these ones, what happened? You just continue. I understand. Click on this checkbox here. I understand. Then you start the importation of the template bundle. Alright, they say this is awesome. You press continue. So congratulations. Unwrap surprise. Say no. Continue without a surprise. This is your email. Subscribe to this. You don't want it. Finish and launch my website. So let's view our website to see how it goes. Now you see, this is how our website is looking. This is how our website is looking. See, we have launched what our website project. This is what we have launched. We have been able to launch. You see how beautiful our website is looking. So that is how you can create a website on WordPress. These are different themes and templates that we have merged together to make sure that our work comes to a perfect shape. So we are done with this section of our course. So join me in our next section.